They don't teach this in driving school. Become a perfect driver with these tips. You can park perfectly anywhere. Just follow these simple steps. Move close to the front of the car on your right until your right mirror is aligned with it. Turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly move forward until you see the parking line touch your car's door handle in the mirror. Then, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing. Straighten the wheel and continue backing up until your car fits perfectly into the parking space. Parallel parking. Approach the car in front and stop when your mirror aligns with the side mirror of the car next to you. This is the perfect starting position. Turn the wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly reverse while watching your right mirror. When your rear door handle aligns with the car behind, stop. Straighten the wheel and keep reversing until your rear right tire touches the parking space's center line. Now, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and continue reversing until your car is perfectly parallel to the curb. Many drivers make the same mistake. They turn the wheel immediately when pulling out. Here's the correct way to do it. First, move forward without turning the wheel. Keep going until the end of your driver's door aligns with the front of the car next to you. Only then should you turn the wheel in the desired direction and continue driving out. This way, you'll avoid hitting the nearby vehicle. These simple methods will protect your car from unnecessary damage and make parking in tight spots much easier. Not many people know these uses for Vaseline, but everyone should. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that really make life easier. Vaseline isn't just great for your skin. It also works as an excellent lubricant and preservative that protects surfaces. Just rub a little onto clean tires with a soft microfiber cloth. They'll regain their deep color and look like new, while staying protected from cracking and drying out. Another great use? The dashboard. Lightly wipe it with Vaseline to give it a smooth satin finish and protect it from UV damage that causes cracking and fading. You can do the same with the steering wheel so it stays looking new and flexible longer. And don't forget the plastic trim on the doors. Vaseline restores color depth and even helps hide small scratches. It's a cheap, super effective hack that makes a big difference. We're testing the trick to unlock a car with the keys locked inside, which had over 100 million views. Let's see if it really works or if it's just another myth. I take a piece of chewing gum and put it in the door lock. Now, I take an iPhone cable with a thin end and insert it into the keyhole. Then I'll use 2 large batteries. They need to be connected with the correct polarity, exactly positive to negative. I place a rubber band around them. It needs to be tied tightly. I take a piece of tape and attach the other end of the cable between the batteries. As you can see, the keys are locked inside the car. Now, I take metal kitchen tongs and carefully press them. Metal objects conduct electricity well. I tape them down to make sure everything stays in place. To generate some heat, I take a kitchen wire scrubber and rub it to create a charge that will travel through the cable to the car's lock. I do this for a while. But as you can see, nothing happens and the car is still locked. This trick just doesn't work, even though it had millions of views. It's better to call for proper help than waste time on tricks like this. Discover the secrets of your car. Learn about hidden features that might surprise you. Start by opening the sun visor, removing it from the hinges, and turning it towards the side door to prevent light from disturbing you while driving. The seatbelt height adjustment allows you to tailor it to the driver's or passenger's height, improving comfort and safety. Simply hold the button, and the belt will move automatically. The mirror mode lever reduces glare from headlights behind you, especially at night. One click tilts the mirror, enhancing visibility. Under the steering wheel, there is a hidden mechanism to adjust its height. Press it to perfectly position the steering wheel. On the side panel of the door, there is a small hole where you can insert a key and turn it to lock the door, securing it against children. Remember not to fill the fuel tank completely. This can cause leaks and damage the tank's ventilation system. I always have a fork and some foam in my car. It may seem strange, but thanks to this, my grandparents are very grateful for how I help them. Let me show you how it works. Start by taking a regular fork and sticking it into the area near the car door hinge. Then bend the fork in the opposite direction so that it has the right shape and fits the spot. Take a piece of foam. My foam is a bit too long, so I need to trim it to the right length. Once the foam is the correct size, place it inside the fork to create a stable base. Now it's time for cable ties. Secure everything tightly so that the fork and foam are firm and stay in place. After this step, the whole setup will be stable and ready to use. Your holder is ready. Now you can rest easy because everything is securely fixed. Your grandparents will be proud. Now you have your own homemade holder that will come in handy in any situation. What's more, it only takes a moment, and the results are truly surprising. The bottle trick is a method used by thieves. Be cautious if you see a bottle wedged under the car's body near a wheel. Such incidents are on the rise, and thieves are becoming more inventive. The bottle trick is just one of their many techniques to steal a car. All they need is an empty drink bottle. They don't even require your keys. If you notice a bottle stuck near the wheel, stay alert and be careful. It's a scam. Thieves use this trick to gain access to your car without keys. They count on you not noticing the bottle. That's all they need to get into your car and rob you, or even drive off with the vehicle. Thieves are clever enough to place the bottle near the passenger side wheel. If you're traveling alone, you rarely approach your car from that side. This increases the chance that you won't spot it. Once you're unaware of the situation or the danger, you'll unlock the car, get in, start the engine, and drive off. As you begin to move, the bottle wedged between the body and the tire will cause a strange noise. At that moment, you'll likely stop and get out to investigate. This is exactly what the thieves are waiting for. You probably won't turn off the engine or take your bag or other belongings with you. While you're checking the source of the noise on the other side of the car, the thieves will simply get in and drive away. In the best-case scenario, they'll only grab your personal belongings, taking advantage of the fact that you left the door open. In either case, it's a distressing experience. Stay vigilant and warn your friends about this bottle trick used by thieves. The paper trick is one of the simplest and most effective methods used by thieves. It involves placing a piece of paper on the rear window of a car, most often under the wiper. The driver usually notices it only when pulling out. The natural reaction is to stop, get out of the car, and remove the paper. At that very moment, the thief has an easy opportunity. They can quickly get into the car or grab valuable items inside, such as a phone, laptop, or handbag. Statistics show that items from the interior are stolen more often than entire cars. The whole trick has just one goal: to make the driver leave the vehicle. Although the method may seem simple and harmless, the consequences can be very costly, and the thief is usually long gone before the owner realizes what happened. That's why it is important to be aware of such tactics and remain cautious. The easiest safety rule is to ignore the paper. If you see something unusual on your rear window, drive to a safe place first and only then remove it.